If you believe in more than one God, what are you? If you believe that a man can marry a man, what are you? If you believe in three gods, what are you? You believe there's nothing wrong to live together, not married, what are you? Satan have used symbolism and brought it in church.
Oh, yeah.
Now, when I preach against racism, some white brothers write me and said, you know, you kind of sound, I kind of hear some racism in your voice. You know how, now listen, don't try to flip the script. When I preach against racism, you don't hear racism in my voice, you hear truth in my voice.
That's right.
This have no place, in God's house.
Amen.
This is not Jesus.
That's right.
He ain't Jesus.
No.
And he sure ain't Jesus.
That's right.
It don't matter what color God is, because we don't know.
Right.
We don't know what color God is.
That's right.
And we don't care.
Okay.
But if I got a different agenda, and I see that you are religious, I got to manipulate religion to see what I can get out of you. So Satan messengers made Jesus white.
Yeah.
And some made him black, some made him yellow, some made him brown. But the majority made him white.
That's right.
And what they did with the so-called white Jesus was use imagery so people of color can look at the preacher, then look at the image, and notice that the preacher in the image resemble.
That's right.
And then make them believe that bowing to Jesus is bowing to the preacher.
That's right.
That's why you people still bow to the Pope.
Yeah.
We bow to no man. Now, many of you have this in your church and in your house.
Yeah.
Some of you go and kiss the picture.
Yeah.
Some of you say that the eyes of statues and pictures cry blood.
Yes.
Some of you are bowing in the name of the Father, in the name of the Son, in the name of whose son is this?
Whose son is that?
I mean, whose son is this fella?
That's right.
This is Baal's son.
Baal's son.
This is the devil's son. This is the son of a liar.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
You would say, oh, he called Jesus a liar. That's not Jesus. That's not Jesus.
Go ahead.
So get up off your knees. Stop making a cross. Get up off your knees. That's idolatry. You see, this Satanism gotta come out the churches. That's why your churches are so weak. You're idolatrous. You bow to your preacher.
Amen.
We bow to God.